I'm Old Sneelock. Welcome to another episode of Old Sneelock's Workshop. Centering up a square part is a pain in the neck. You have to lift the pin every time you come off the flat, otherwise when it goes across this lobe, it'll knock the indicator out of position. And because I have to crank this with the pulley over here, it's kind of a cross hand deal. Before I can start turning on the flange, I need to put a center in the end of the plate. That way I can use the live center on the tailstock to support the part. Otherwise I'll peel it right out of that forejaw with what little grip I've got on it. So I have to bore out the end of it. Now the hole is not concentric to start with, so it's an interrupted cut. Nope, that's just not functional. Just not functional. Because this feed is too imprecise. So I'm going to turn this 90 degrees so that I can come in at it. I think we're going to call that good enough. And the other flange I'm going to cut down considerably more with the saw. Not perfect, but respectable. that was entertaining, if nothing else. If you have any suggestions for a new video, questions about today's video, or any of the other videos on the channel, just drop a note in the comments. You know I'd read them all. Thanks for watching. This video is not to be viewed by anyone under the age of 13 in the US or 16 in the European Union, without the express written permission of the parents or legal guardians of the underage person. Such written permission must be on file at the local government entity in charge of enforcing the rules and regulations established by the FTC. Anyone violating these terms is admitting by default that they hold harmless the owners and operators of this channel. Any and all questions should be addressed to your local branch of the FTC.